lovelies, welcome back to the channel. I am doing a little hair tutorial today. I just got a brand new product in and I figured what better than to just test it out for the very first time for y'all. So I just recently got in this bad boy. So this is from DRYBAR and it is the double shot. It's the blow dryer brush. So I've heard great things about this product. I've also heard about the Revlon one, and I ended up going with this one. I felt like the Revlon one, reviews were saying that was super like hot, which is good, but at the same time, like I don't want to fry my hair. I have super thin hair and I'm gonna need to get to using this because otherwise she gonna dry on her own. This one seems to have more temperature control, so I'm gonna bust her out. Just taking a look over the product itself, I think it looks super nice. I mean, it's a big fat like comb, but I just think it looks really fun with like the bright yellow and it's just really sleek. So I will say that it has like sharp little bristles and then it has like tiny little bristles then in between. This is probably to just help with the detangling, and then you can see it has like the vents for the air to shoot through. Down here at the bottom is the setting. It's just a little twist knob and there's either a cool, I think there's a low or a high then. I do like that up here, there is this little tab where you can like hold on to it so you don't like have to accidentally touch the hot dryer. Just so you know what I did after I got out of the shower, I towel dry my hair always. And then I always spritz in my detangler, and this is the heat protectant. This is from Bubble & Bumble. It's the BB Hairdressers Invisible Oil Heat/UV Protective Primer. So I always use this after every time I shower. And then I just go at it with my wet brush to just really like get my hair nice and detangled. Roll. Oh, it's hot. And then high.
Are you happy now? Are you happy now? Are you happy now?
I feel like it definitely works super well. This was my first time trying it out, so like it just was kind of like trying to find a grasp of the brush and like how to section my hair. There are some times where I will try to blow dry my hair and use a round brush, and it's just always so difficult, and it always ends up like, especially here on like the back sides of my neck, like I always trying to get like that under layer, I always end up scratching my neck with the bristles from the round brush. So I never had that problem with this. I think it's honestly because it's these like plastic little prongs that are sticking out more so than the like little rough bristles. So I think that honestly helped that. You can use both hands on one product versus like blow drying and then like trying to do the round brush. So to be quite honest, I really like that thing. I will say, like, as far as the settings go, the cool isn't really that cold because I was trying to give my roots kind of like a shock factor after I had blow dried it. So it's just like a very soft warm. Then as far as the intensity goes for like either low heat or high heat, you can definitely tell the difference in the sound, as you could hear, but then also the high heat, it does get hot. I use the high heat for like more of the back portion of my hair, but then I put it on the low heat more for like the front. It's so soft. Like I have baby fine hair in general, but it just feels just nice. I guess that's the best way to put it. I also feel like it gave me like a decent amount of lift because my hair is so soft and fine. It's really hard for me to get kind of any lift through the root. So I'm sure if I play with this a little bit more, I'll be able to figure out how to get like more lift up in there. So if you lovelies enjoyed this little hair tutorial and like little review of the double shot blow dryer brush from DRYBAR, I would love it if you gave this video a thumbs up. I'll put everything that I use as far as my hair products along with the brush down below in the description box. If you do shop through those links, just know that I make a small commission, but it's always so greatly appreciated. That way I can bring more things to you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please just hit that button right there in the center. If you want, you can hit the bell down below. That'll keep you notified every single time I upload a video. And if you want to see more videos, check those out on the side. Until next time, I'll see you lovelies then.